Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is DEMIYA, Miss DEMIYA if you're new here. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this hairstyle. It might not be even in the back, but mind your business. These earrings, they say my name, y'all see? Well, it says my nickname. It says Maya. I also have the anklet. And it's from silviax jewelry. This video is not sponsored, but they did send this to me. And I mean, they sent it to me a while ago. And I should have been included it in a video. And I'm truly sorry to that brand. Please accept my apology. I'm sorry. But what I can say is I've been wearing this anklet for the longest. I'm not gonna say how long because y'all gonna crucify me. I've been wearing it for a long time and it's definitely held up. It's gold plated, but the quality of their jewelry is really good. This anklet, I believe when I first got it, it was around $45. And for it to have held up this long, I believe that it's well worth it. So definitely check them out. Whenever I do a style like this, I use spritz, but that's only because I don't be wearing it for a long time. But if you want it to last, you'll probably use beeswax. That's what most stylists use. If you're only doing it for like a 2-3 day hairstyle, I suggest using spritz because it washes out easily. That beeswax, you're gonna have to wash your hair a good 3-4 times to fully get it out. So this is what I'm using now, and this is what I use for my other braid. And apparently this is 54 inches and this is 24. So I don't know what they got going on, but it is 2 different brands. This one is a bit denser, the outre, and I did like the texture of it. I'm using this Pump It Up spritz. I just put it in the Fantasia bottle because y'all know how Pump It Up spritz like to act, how the nozzle likes to act after a while. I put a little bit of wax on them just so they can stay down and out of my way. So you can go in sections, like start back here, spray, spray, spray. But like I said before, this is only a 1 to 2 day hairstyle for me. I really don't like to keep stuff like this in my hair for long. I'm just gonna spray like the outside and mold it like that. Now get you some thick rubber bands like this. It's the only time it's really acceptable to use rubber bands in your hair. I mean, I'm gonna do that anyways, but it's not good. Making sure I'm pulling out my buckshots, beads, kitchen, nape, whatever you wanna call it. Okay. This is one of the quickest, cutest hairstyles you can do on yourself. And stop looking at my armpits, I see you. Y'all, I was on my YouTube studio analytics the other day, and I'm looking at like the playlist that I'm in. Why does somebody have a playlist called Best Armpits and they added me to it? Like, this what y'all be on? This ponytail a little higher, but it don't really matter. I'm gonna start by putting on the wraparound pieces. You know, the piece that conceals your rubber bands. I'm gonna put that on first. So I'm just taking a piece that's like that big, put a rubber band on it, how it would come in a pack. So just loop it around and stick one loop through the other one. So you have your knot. And you wanna make sure your rubber bands are secure, but don't do them too tight. Promise like 2 or 3 wraparounds will be enough. You don't have to do it a whole bunch of times. So break it up into like 8 even sections. Of the ouch right here, I only used 1 bundle per braid. It's like a natural looking braid when you use 1 bundle. Split it in half first, and then split each half, keep splitting it so it's an even amount. Split it into 2, then split it into 4, then split it into 8. That's for if you're doing it the feeding method. How do I want to do it though? I'm gonna just leave it on the bundle. So I'm gonna do it like that. I'll save these pieces that I already broke for the end of the braids, but since I'm trying to be inclusive, I'm just gonna leave it on because everybody's hair type isn't like fit to do feed-in braids. Well, first, let me break my hair up into 3 sections. Make sure it's evenly dispersed over your hair. So hide your hair with the weave. And then just braid. You want to like keep the braided hair in front of your hair. So you tuck in every time you braid. Alright, now the hair's starting to get thin. So here's where I'm gonna add my hair. I'm getting towards the end of the braid. I'm gonna clip it because I want to add some human hair to it so I can put a curl in it. I made the mistake of not stretching it, so it's a little blunt right there, but I'm gonna just layer it when I'm done braiding. I'm just gonna take the hair and wrap it around itself and make a knot so it don't go nowhere. I don't know if y'all can see, but I made a knot. And I'm gonna do that like 3 times because it's human hair and it likes to slip out. That's it. Oh yeah, and I don't know if y'all can see this, but when you wrapping your rubber bands, make sure these are flat. Make sure they lay flat because mine aren't laying flat, and it'll surely show through your when you do the little wraparound part. So yeah. Alright, so while I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm gonna conceal this. So I'm just gonna flat iron it. One thing about it, 2 things for sure. I'm not about to fight with his hair. Not today. These I'm gonna flip down. And these I'm gonna flip up. I have yet to master those soft, like fluffy edges, and I'm honestly okay with that. I'm gonna do what works for me. But yeah, I'm gonna just curl the ends of this hair. I'm really tripping because it's a little bit of braiding hair inside of here, but it's okay. Okay. If you want, you can like dip the braid or like relax it by using a towel with boiling water, but wrapping a towel around a braid just to relax it. I wish I could just show y'all the full length of the braids in the camera, but y'all get the point. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video.
Where'd you go?